In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Xero quote template in just 5 minutes. Now, getting your quote template looking just the way you want is key for maintaining brand consistency and offering a professional appearance to your clients. Let's walk through this process step by step so you can effortlessly update your quotes to match your needs. First, you need to log into your Xero accounting software. Open up your web browser and head over to the Xero login page. Here, you'll see the option to enter your credentials. Go ahead and type in your email and password associated with your Xero account. Once you've got those inputs ready, click on Login and you'll be taken straight to your dashboard. With your dashboard loaded, you'll notice a range of options and settings. Direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll find your company name displayed. Click on your company name and a drop-down menu will appear with various settings to choose from. Next, select Settings from this drop-down menu, which will take you deeper into the customization features that Xero offers. Once you're in the settings area, navigate to Invoice Settings. Despite the name, this section houses various document templates including your quotes. In invoice settings, you'll see an option specifically for uploading templates. Now, we'll move forward by making our template adjustments. Within this same section, look for the upload button and give it a click. After clicking upload, the next step is to click on browse under the quote section. This action will prompt you to select the new template file from your device. Search through your files and select the quote template you've prepared. Keep in mind your template should be in a compatible format for Xero to process it smoothly. Once the file is selected, click on Upload to initiate the process of incorporating your new template into Xero. A confirmation message or symbol may appear to indicate that your upload was successful. After this initial upload, click the Upload button once more to finalize this process. And there you have it. Your new quote template is now set up in Xero, ready to enhance your business communications. Remember, keeping your templates up to date and consistent with your branding is crucial for making a lasting impression on your clients. With these steps complete, you can rest assured that your quotes will reflect exactly the image you wish to project. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide has helped simplify the process for you. If you have any questions, feel free